to my channel, or if you are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I am filming my Christmas home tour for you. So I'll be taking you around, sharing with you what our house looks like decked out for the holiday season. This will be my last Christmas video of 2022, and I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you who have supported my channel this year. It truly means so much to me, and I'm so excited to bring to you some more fun content in the new year. Before we get into the tour, I wanted to share with you my new pieces that I got in from Ana Luisa. I have been wearing their jewelry pieces over the last few years and always get so many compliments when I wear them. If you have never heard of Ana Luisa, they are a jewelry website that has bracelets, necklaces, earrings, and so much more. There is something for everyone on their website. Their jewelry starts at $39 and goes up to a more high-end price, but again, I love the fact that there is something for everyone on their website. Now, the pieces that I got in are very dainty, and that is one of my favorite things about their pieces. When I do wear jewelry, I don't want anything that's going to be too flashy or stands out too much, and every piece that I have gotten is so unique and unlike anything I've ever seen. They do have gold and silver pieces to pick from, so whether you like the more warmer tones or the cooler tones, there is something for you. Their jewelry also comes in these cute little packages that you can take traveling with you, throw it in your purse. Wherever you're going, you can keep your jewelry safe in these bags. I do have a discount code for you guys, which is MollyNicole20, which will be in the description box down below along with their website. If you do not already, make sure to also follow them over on their social medias. They are always posting different sales that you can take advantage of. Their jewelry is a great gift option, whether you are looking for a special occasion, birthday, or just spoiling yourself. They have so many great pieces to pick from. So again, make sure to check out the link in the description box down below with my discount code if you have been looking for some great jewelry. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video.
All day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Wake up with a smile, the feeling is right today. Magic in the air, 'cause something is waiting for me. Oh, I've been good, but I can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Santa is coming. I know. Santa is coming. Oh.
I'm walking around feeling free. I think thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can't see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Summer ended, but we did not. We started something, this thing that we got grew stronger. Each day we're together, all the way, oh, we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. Hey! Take. Walking around, you and me. Christmas time's got the best of me. Then it starts to snow in our hearts. We both know that we're falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love. We're falling in love. No, it's the time of the year when something's in store for us. 'Cause we're falling in love. That's right.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish. And as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day.
So that is going to complete this Christmas home tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And also, don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. The link will be in the description box with my discount code. Happy holidays, you guys.